It
works.
and they're pissed.
Recorded the sewer line here 12743. Excuse me, 3rd Northwest here. Dates July 22nd, 2021. I'm about 93 feet out from the roof vent here. We're going to come back from this point. See if we can't identify major issue. So you got the root and that turn.
Okay.
And that's that turn where it starts at 90s kind of and starts heading that direction.
So we're thinking of probably that maple right there.
Probably.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go locate this spot real quick. And those are the first spots to go. And then, I mean, it's digging at a turn lets you put an axis that'll go that way, and then an axis that'll go that way. It's a pretty rough offset there too.
There's like a little,
the lip of the pipe.
Yeah.
Shifted a bit.
I don't see any big fucking hole. I mean, like, you gotta show me where there's a.
No, I don't see a big hole yet either. That's what I'm looking for.
TJ said there was a jagged hole that he saw.
Yeah, I saw this. I saw his notes. That's the same thing he said to me on the phone just now. You want to see a hole before you get talked out of this crate motor, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
It's a little,
I do.
I understand, totally. I think your line's a little flat through the initial section here.
Yeah.
You're sitting underwater through this whole stretch. So you're not running water anymore.
Nope.
So that water just sits in there at all times.
Uh-huh.
So it's slowing sewage down, obviously. Like I described, like a river run into a lake. So if it's flowing down, it hits this pool, and then it just kind of sits in there and stagnant. And then it takes the next flush and that to kind of push it along. So eventually you get too much built up shit in there, and it just won't move. And it probably hits that next little lip down there, and then it's just stuck. You get this big coagulated, nasty pile of shit. And then you're back in the cast iron. But as far as big, so you can see there, the pipe's maybe got that. I mean, it's a 4-inch diameter pipe. Yep. So you've got 1.5 inches of sitting water down there.
Yeah.
I am going to end the video. Hold on. You've seen the whole thing.